Hello, my dear students. Welcome to IMS Academy. Myself, Sandeep Adari. Here is the detailed notification for IOCL. But my dear students, usually IOCL used to recruit through the GATE exam, but this year they have recruiting for a particular branches through the computer-based test. So it was a detailed notification on 5th September, and they are recruiting through the computer-based test. Which branches are eligible is chemical, electrical, and instrumentation. So it is a domain specific, like how much marks you should have is 65% marks are mandatory in the engineering background. For a domain specific for chemical engineering, these are the engineering disciplines which are eligible for chemical engineering, like chemical technology, chemical and biochemical, petrochemical, and these are the branches. Similarly, in domain specific, we have for electrical, in electrical and electronics, electrical and instrumentation, electrical and computer, electrical power engineering. So these are all the branches which are eligible for electrical engineering. In addition to this, instrumentation engineering, because in separate in different universities we have different names like instrumentation engineering, instrumentation and control. So these are all the branches which are eligible for this post. Now, my dear students, see, usually when it will what will be the upper age limit, which is very important. So for general category, if I see here, my dear students, for see the born on after the dates of 1st July 1989 and 1st July 1986 and 1st July 1984, and for non-PWD, these are the categories. So these are the age relaxations for different categories, sir. So you should be careful in this also. Now, important dates, the starting date of the online application starts from 5th September, and end date of online application will be 21st September. And here admit card will be on October 17th, and conduct of computer-based test is 31st October. So you should be well prepared for this exam, because it is a very, it means immediate notification. We have less time to prepare also. But for the students who are prepared for GATE, this exam will be a cakewalk. Now, see students, if you see what are the categories on basis of the blindness and all, means we have different categories. So disabilities, these are the criteria where you can consider. Now, in the selection process, sir, first selection process is a computer-based test. After the computer-based test, you have again group discussion and group task and personal interview. Now, my dear students, in domain knowledge, we'll have 50 questions. General aptitude, how is the distribution of the questions and all. And most important thing, each question shall carry 1 mark, and 0.25 will be for every incorrect answer. So there is a negative marking of 1/4. Okay. And see students, the test will be conducted on objective multiple based for a total duration of 150 minutes, and 20 minutes per hour of compensatory time in computer will be given to the reserved candidates. So this is a very important thing which I would like to tell you. These are the test centers, sir. If you see, the almost 36 centers are there: Agra, Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Bhopal, Chennai, Cuttack, Ernakulam, Lucknow. We have the distribution of centers, and almost 44 centers are there. We have centers at all the prominent cities in India. So, my dear students, see here, if you see the shortlisting process, after candidate belong to general and EWS are required to secure 40% in each A and B, and minimum 45% overall. So candidates belong to SC/ST, there is a small relaxation of around 5%, that is 40%. And see, these the documents which are required for the purpose. These are the things. So my dear students, again, see the first one, last one, we have the merit list. After finding the computer-based test, the weightage is 85%, group discussion is 5%, and personal interview is 10%. So these are the minimum percentage of marks which you have to. So what are the important documents? You have to have a photograph, signature in capital letters, and these are all the documents which are required. Means you can go through all the documents which are required also, because here in the detailed notification, and the photograph, image size and all. So my dear students, if you see the IOCL detailed notification, it is particularly for electrical, electronics, these are the instrumentation, these are the and chemical engineering. These are the 3 branches, sir. One is chemical, electrical, and electronics also. And we can say chemical is also very important, sir. Now, in this, it is a purely a computer-based test. It has group discussion and also group task and also personal interview. But 85% is given allocation for computer-based test, and almost 150 questions are there. I hope this video will help you for the detailed notification of IOCL. Thank you.